Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Narwal Flow. If you're interested in the flow, the link to it will be in the video description. So a restart is different than a factory reset. This is just a simple power cycle. We'll be turning the unit on and back off. So on this side of our flow, we have a power icon. So we're going to press and hold that for a couple of seconds here and watch the light ring at the top.
Powering off.
Powering off, we heard it, the light went off, that's it. Now we'll go ahead, we'll just give it a second, and then we'll press this power button again to turn everything back on. So we're going to press it, the light comes on, now we wait for it to initialize and boot back up. Typical Narwal chime right there.
Narwal.
I like the colors on that ring spinning. You can hear it initializing. Got our LiDAR moving around. Everything is booted back up.